I will seek someone who understands that justice isn't about some abstract legal theory or footnote in a casebook. It is also about how our laws affect the daily realities of people's lives, whether they can make a living and care for their families, whether they feel safe in their homes and welcome in their own nation. I view that quality of empathy, understanding and identifying with people's hopes and struggles as an essential ingredient for arriving at just decisions and outcomes.
Let me talk about how this may play out in the Supreme Court, with a new Supreme Court nominee forthcoming from the administration. And the president has talked about wanting a nominee who is empathetic, somebody who knows what it's like to be poor, to be African American, to be gay. Chairman Steele, you were on the radio recently, and you took a shot on that priority for the president. This is what you said. I don't need some judge sitting up there feeling bad for my opponent because of their life circumstances or their condition and shortchanging me and my opportunity to get fair treatment under the law. Crazy, nonsense, empathetic. Sounds like, you also said to the NRA on Friday, sounds like the president's been watching Dr. Phil too much. That's what he wants on the Supreme Court.
Look, I need a judge who's going to take the Constitution, apply the facts, apply the law, and come to a reasoned, sound judgment. I don't need a judge to look at an African American standing before him and go off on some, liberal tangent about, oh, gee, I wonder what his life was like as a child. I'm concerned about getting fair adjudication and jurisprudence under the law.
On this day in 1954, the U.S. Supreme Court handed down a unanimous decision in Brown versus Board of Education. The ruling declared racial segregation in public schools to be unconstitutional.
I don't need a judge to look at an African American standing before him and go off on some, liberal tangent about, oh, gee, I wonder what his life was like as a child.